Hi loves, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naya, known as Modest Guru, and today we are reviewing some brand new e.l.f. holiday makeup. It is time. It's time. Let's talk all about the brand new holiday drops by e.l.f. You know I was coming. I want to highlight one of my favorites for this holiday season. Look at this, so stunning. Glitter eyeshadows. So I cannot wait to try these single pan glitter eyeshadow palettes for the holiday. Perfect for every single holiday that's coming up. Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year, you name it. This one I am the most excited about. This is Filthy Rich. This one is Champagne Showers. There's a new buzz around town about the brand new bronzer and conceal. This is in the shade medium. Now, there's a backstory to this. There was only one left. e.l.f. dropped their liquid blush brush. Let me tell you something. I have to do a full review on the e.l.f. brushes because they are so spectacular. I have had their brushes in my makeup kit as a makeup artist for many years. So that tells you right there, top quality, especially the all black brand. These are more professional brushes that e.l.f. dropped. And they've been in my kit for ages. Like, I will continue to buy them. Let me show you guys. You see the packaging, right? You see the black. So this is a satin lipstick. Look at this. Get close. Get close. I want you to see the material. Let me remove my makeup and give you a bare base to start this look. To prime to keep it on brand, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Stay Cool Primer Stick. Guys, I have some exciting news to share. I actually got my kids a puppy. He is a golden doodle, 5 months old. Well, he's almost 6 months old now. Oh, so playful. And of course, like all babies, a lot of work. And so you may hear him from time to time in the background. He gets really excited. But I am so happy to have a dog now. It is a ton of work with having a toddler, but hey, we are here and I must like to stay busy. Like, that's very on trend for me. Like, always having something to do. I'm actually going to start with the e.l.f. bronzing drops, and this is in Rose Gold. I've done a few reviews on these like a couple videos back, so I will link those all of the e.l.f. videos below so you can kind of have a history and know what e.l.f. products to buy. I haven't been very much excited about like new makeup in a minute outside of like drugstore launches that I've seen. But these holiday sets are very cute. Like, I'm looking at mini perfumes, the little mini beauty sets, the little holiday peppermint. Like, I really think I'm just going to get into the vibe and like add these little stocking stuffers for my Christmas decorations and like have it like sticking out. Very, very aesthetic. I'm just too excited. Like, I can't even wait for the holiday this year. Foundation will be my current favorite, the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. And I'm in the shade 33. So in case you want to use my complexion as a match, as you see, I do the bronzing drops prior. So just be mindful of that. Going in with the bronzer in the shade medium. Gonna start with a couple dots. It's my first time trying this bronzer and it blends like so nice. Everything is very sheer coverage. Just say that because you can still see my freckles. Now go back in with your sponge and blend out even more. You see how I went back in and I really focused in on blending, and I'm going to talk about why. So let me set really quick. Going in with the e.l.f. bronzer in the shade Fresh Tan. Just like that. This is in the shade medium. I feel like it's the perfect match for me. I was a little nervous, you know, usually I go darker, but now that I'm seeing it with like my concealer, Chef's Kisses, really love this like flawless finish. It almost looks airbrushed in a sense as well, just because of the shade match. It's like so on point. I can tell you one thing, it is a watery base. With that being said, a little bit goes a long way if you're more into like natural look. Now, if you're into the more full beat glam, of course, more would be better. But in the case of like everyday wear, very minimum. So if you get your perfect shade, it will actually take like a little bit less amount than what I had, because I had to blend this out further. I love the pigment. I wish that the bronzer was a little bit thicker, just so you don't overdo it. But the pigment, the quality, just sit with it, because this was like $7. The bronzer retails for $7, and it's a part of the Camo collection. So you have like the Camo concealers, and then they launched the Camo bronzers. And there's quite a few different shade options. There are actually 10 bronzer shades. I want to go ahead and try the blush brush. My new girl to the collection. I'm gonna use the Camo liquid blush. This is the shade Berry Berry. Remember, y'all, a little bit goes a long way. Okay. Now using the brush. Girl, yeah, I'm obsessed with the blush brush. If you're in, I love it. Like, if you need a brush, definitely check out e.l.f. brushes. Like, I've been purchasing their brushes for like 10 years, seriously, since I started my makeup artist journey. For the eyeshadow, we're gonna start one lid. I'm gonna do the Finest Fleek eyeshadow on one. I hope it's picking up the fine. Ooh. Baby, this is giving Disney princess or something, like Disney on Ice. I'm going to fall out, seriously. There's no fallout. Shut the front door. But for $6, all I could keep thinking about is the price and the quality. Like, it's unmatched at this point. I don't know any competition. This is how you pull up at the Christmas party. This is how you pull up at your company Christmas party. Or anywhere you want to be seen for that sake. Sickening. And we get to try the satin lipstick. I do want to make an announcement. You can officially shop my lash brand, Modest Lashes, in the link below. Joy, my baby. Oh, I love it. So, just show you how stunning these lashes look once they're on. All right, this is the final look. You can shop all of the products below. I do want to mention that my brand, Modest Lashes site is live, so you can shop these style and many more in the description box below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please make sure that you purchase my brand new lashes from my brand, Modest Lashes, below, and let me know your favorite product of this video and your favorite lash. Thank you guys so much, and until next time, take care.